Hello everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you to the SCITEC Vortex mixer, a compact, powerful, and reliable mixing solution for your laboratory needs. This Vortex mixer is designed to deliver fast and efficient mixing of liquids in test tubes, vials, and small containers. With a simple touch activation, it starts mixing instantly, saving time and effort in your workflow. Performance: it offers variable speed control, allowing you to adjust from gentle mixing to vigorous vortexing, depending on your sample requirements. The powerful motor ensures consistent and reproducible results every time. Build and safety: the SCITEC Vortex mixer is built with a durable, chemical-resistant body and features non-slip rubber feet, ensuring stability even during high-speed operation. Its compact design saves bench space while providing maximum efficiency. Application: whether you're working in clinical labs, research, or industrial testing, this Vortex mixer is perfect for mixing reagents, suspensions, or any small volume solutions. Reliable, efficient, and user-friendly, the SCITEC Vortex mixer is an essential tool for every modern laboratory.